It was early morning sunlight, filtering through the kitchen window, that inspired me to reinvent my routine breakfast. I stared at a bowl of plain yogurt and fruit and thinking, why settle for ordinary when nature offers something extraordinary? In that moment, I realized lavender and blueberries could transform a standard parfait into a sensory celebration. Lavender, with its subtle floral aroma, and blueberries, bursting with sweet tart juices, combine beautifully with creamy yogurt or coconut milk. Adding granola, seeds, nuts, and honey brings texture and sweetness, and suddenly you have a breakfast parfait that is delicious, healthy, and unexpectedly elegant. Lavender is more commonly associated with soothing teas or fragrant bath products, yet culinary lavenders, specifically the food Gradula langustifolia, is edible and delightfully aromatic. Used sparingly, lavender adds a delicate floral note that elevates the flavors without overwhelming them. It pairs surprisingly well with berries, especially blueberries, whose bright acidity and natural sweetness enhance lavender's subtle perfume. Blueberries are nutritional powerhouses, rich in antioxidants, vitamins C and K, fiber, and low in calories. Their burst in the mouth quality introduces both flavor and hydration. In a parfait, blueberries can be fresh, roasted, or made into a compote, and each preparation yields different textures and taste intent. When lavender blossoms meet blueberries, honey or maple syrup, yogurt or plant-based alternatives, nuts or granola, and seeds, you get layers of creamy, crunchy, sweet, tangy, floral complexity. These parfaits can serve not only as nourishing breakfast, but also as chic dessert or midday snack. From a wellness perspective, the ingredients are aligned with modern dietary ideals. Yogurt or kefir offers complex probiotics. Lavender may have mild calming effects. Blueberries supply antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits. Nuts and seeds deliver healthy fats and protein. Granola provides fiber and energy. The parfait is gluten-free or dairy-free depending on the ingredients chosen. Here are 3 refined recipes that use this floral berry combination in different styles. Recipe 1. Classic lavender blueberry yogurt, parfait ingredients. 2 cups, Greek yogurt, 1 cup. Fresh blueberries, 1 tsp culinary lavender buds. Gently ground in mortar and pestle or finely crushed to TBSP honey or maple syrup, 1/2 cup granola. Optional. 1 TBSP chia seeds, 2 TBSP toasted almonds or walnuts. Instructions. In a small bowl, stir together the yogurt with honey, maple syrup, and half of the lavender buds. Let sit 5 minutes to infuse. In glasses or bowls, layer a few blueberries, a spoonful of yogurt, a sprinkle of granola, a few nuts or chia, then repeat. Top with remaining blueberries and the rest of the lavender buds. As garnish, serve immediately. Each spoonful combines creamy tangy yogurt, crunchy granola, sweet juicy berry, and whisper of lavender. Tips: introduce lavender gradually. Its floral aroma can overpower if used in excess. For a vegan version, use coconut or almond yogurt and maple syrup. If granola is sweetened, reduce honey accordingly. Recipe 2. Warm roasted blueberry and lavender compote. Ingredients: 2 cups, fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 TBSP honey or maple syrup, 1 TSP, lemon juice, 1/2 TSP, culinary lavender buds. 2 cups plain yogurt or coconut. Yogurt, 1 cup cooked oats or birch or muesli, granola or chopped pistachios. Instructions. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a small baking dish, combine blueberries, honey, maple, lemon juice, and lavender. Stir gently. Roast for 10 to 12 minutes until blueberries are soft and juices bubble, and lavender aroma wafts. Meanwhile, prepare oats or muesli if using. Cool compote slightly, then layer into parfait, glasses, yogurt, or oat base, spoon of warm compote, oats or muesli, more compote, and finally, granola or nuts on top. Garnish with a pinch of lavender buds and fresh mint leaves if desired. Tips: roasting amplifies blueberry flavor and softens berries into a jam-like compote. Compote can be chilled and used later. Stir lightly before serving. Incorporate oats or muesli for an overnight-style porridge variation. Recipe 3. Lavender-infused coconut milk smoothie. Parfait ingredients: 1 can full-fat coconut milk, 1 cup. Frozen or fresh blueberries, 1/2 TSP, culinary lavender buds, 1 banana, 122 TBSP, 1/2 TSP vanilla extract, 1/2 cup granola, toasted coconut flakes, or chopped nuts optional, 1 scoop collagen or protein powder. Instructions. In blender, combine coconut milk, blueberries, banana, lavender, maple syrup, and vanilla. Blend until silky. Taste and adjust sweetness. Add more lavender if desired. Pour into parfait glasses or bowls, then top with granola and toasted coconut flakes or nuts. Serve chilled. The smoothie base is creamy, subtly floral, and sweet fruit balanced. Crunch added by the toppings. Tips: make ahead. Freeze leftover smoothie in popsicle molds for lavender blueberry pops. For vegan protein boost, Add pea protein powder or vegan protein blend. Why lavender and blueberries work so well? Flavor harmony. Lavender brings soft floral notes that evoke honey and light. Citrus not soapy when done right. Blueberries deliver a sweet tart burst. Their natural acidity highlights lavender's fragrance. Nutritional synergy. Blueberries are high in anthocyanins, fiber, vitamins, and low G. Lavender may support relaxation and digestion in gentle herbal culinary amounts. Yogurt or coconut provides healthy fats, probiotics, and protein. Seeds and nuts contribute healthy fats, fiber, and crunch. Visual appeal. The vibrant deep blue blueberries contrast beautifully with white yogurt or pale coconut. The lavender blossoms garnish at a sophisticated purple hint. Parfait layers create a visually appealing presentation, ideal for photos or Instagram. Adaptability. Is Zelly made vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, or low? You can swap berries, use flavored yogurt, or infuse lavender differently. Seasonal and sensory experience. Lavender is often available dried, fresh during summer. Blueberries are seasonal, August in the northern hemisphere. The parfait engages multiple senses: visual, aroma, taste, texture exciting, each bite. 3 perfect use cases. 1. Summer morning refresher. On a warm summer morning, this parfait awakens your senses. Use chilled yogurt or coconut milk, fresh blueberries, a drizzle of honey, and lightly crushed lavender. Pair with herbal tea. The floral aroma feels cooling. 2. Post-workout nourishment. After exercise, you need protein, hydration, and antioxidants. Greek yogurt with blueberries delivers protein and nutrients. Granola and nuts add carbs and healthy fats. Lavender soothes and rounds out flavors lightly. 3. Elegant dessert. For breakfast toasting brunch, layer yogurt, lavender, blueberry, compote, granola, and edible lavender flowers in glassware for a sophisticated look. Serve with fresh mint sprigs and linen napkins. It looks gourmet, yet stays healthy. Expert tips and variations. Lavender dosage. Use between 1/2 TSP and 1 TSP of culinary lavender for 2 servings. Too much becomes perfumey. Too little is into grinding buds. Crush lightly for even aroma distribution. Honey versus maple. Honey adds floral sweetness that complements lavender. Maple is smoother and plant-based. Granola choice. Use low-sugar or nut-based granola for better nutrition. Storage. Yogurt parfaits are best assembled just before eating. Compote can be stored separately, up to 3 days. Substitutions. Replace blueberries with blackberries or raspberries. Yogurt with kefir or ricotta. Coconut milk with oat milk. A word on lavender safety use. Only culinary-grade lavender buds. Avoid ornamental lavender varieties or lavender with pesticides. Introduce lavender in small amounts to test tolerance and flavor preference. Some people might find it to floral balance accordingly. Sample. Breakfast week plan. Featuring lavender, blueberry parfait Monday, classic yogurt parfait with fresh blueberries and lavender, plus a banana and granola. Wednesday, roasted blueberry lavender compote stirred into oats or bircher moistly with almond slices. Friday, coconut milk smoothie parfait, topped with toasted coconut and granola for a lighter finish to the week. This variety keeps the flavors exciting, ensures balanced nutrition, and lets you adjust based on mood and schedule. Summary. Lavender and blueberries together transform the familiar breakfast parfait into something delightful, sophisticated, and nourishing. The trio of recipes: classic yogurt parfait, warm roasted compote version, and smoothie parfait offer options for different textures, dietary needs, and presentations. Whether for everyday breakfast, relaxed brunch with friends, or mindful snacking, these parfaits deliver taste, health, and style in one layered glass. Remember, use lavender sparingly, choose quality ingredients, and layer thoughtfully. When plating, garnish with fresh berries, mint leaves, or even edible flowers to enhance aroma and visual appeal. Try pairing with herbal tea or light coffee to complement the floral berry theme. With each spoonful, you'll taste creamy goodness, sweet blueberries, crunchy granola, and a whisper of lavenders. Floral charm. It's an experience that transcends breakfast. It becomes a gentle celebration of flavor, health, and simple elite. 3 recipes recap. Classic lavender blueberry yogurt parfait. Creamy, simple, floral, sweet breakfast. Warm roasted blueberry and lavender compote parfait. Cozy jam-like compote, oats. Texture. Lavender infused coconut milk smoothie parfait. Silky, plant-based, fruity, floral smoothie.